Galactic Historical Archive, Entry 774, Classification, Restricted, Subject, Humanity. Note to all researchers, this species is not extinct. Exercise caution. The following document summarizes why the Galactic Council unanimously voted to grant humanity apex predator status, a designation previously reserved for non-sentient megafauna. The humans objected to this classification. They said they were civilized. We reviewed their history. We respectfully disagree. The first thing you must understand about humans is their planet. Earth is a Class 12 death world. Most sentient species evolve on Class 3 or 4 worlds, temperate, stable, predictable. Earth has active tectonic plates that reshape the surface, atmospheric electrical storms that discharge enough energy to kill any known species, liquid water oceans with pressure zones capable of crushing starship hulls, temperature extremes from -90 to +57 degrees, and a biological ecosystem where every organism is either eating another organism or evolving to avoid being eaten. Humans didn't just survive this world, they conquered it. They are what happens when a prey animal refuses to accept its position on the food chain. Humans are persistence predators. Most predators rely on ambush or speed. Humans rely on the fact that they never stop. Their ancestors would select a prey animal and follow it, not chase it, follow it, walking for hours, sometimes days. The prey would sprint away. The human would walk after it. The prey would rest. The human would appear on the horizon. Eventually, the prey would collapse from exhaustion and the human would walk up to it. They evolved to be the scariest thing in nature, the thing that follows you at walking pace and never ever stops. They regulate body temperature through perspiration, allowing continuous exertion in heat that would kill most species. They consume almost any organic matter for fuel. They heal from injuries that would be fatal to others. Then they discovered tools. Every species discovers tools. What humans did has no precedent. They took rocks and made them sharp. Standard. Attached sharp rocks to sticks. Innovative. Discovered fire and put it on the sticks. Discovered metal and made the sticks out of metal. Discovered gunpowder and put it in the metal sticks. Discovered the atom and split it. Each step follows what our analysts describe as pathological escalation. They discovered nuclear fission, a power source that could have ended energy scarcity. They used it to build a bomb, then a bigger bomb, then 50,000 of them pointed at each other. When asked why, they said, because the other humans also have 50,000. The psychological profile is most concerning. Humans have a capacity called empathy, the ability to feel what another organism is feeling. This sounds benign, it is not. Empathy allowed humans to domesticate wolves. They looked at an apex predator and felt a connection. They fed it, bred it over thousands of generations until wolves became dogs, loyal and biologically dependent on human approval. They did this to wolves, cats, horses, cattle, and fish. A species with enough empathy to befriend a wolf understands exactly how other minds work. And a species that understands how other minds work can manipulate those minds, or break them. Humans form emotional attachments to virtually anything. Other humans, animals, plants, inanimate objects, abstract concepts. They will name a cleaning robot and become distressed if it's damaged. They will form bonds with enemy combatants and refuse to fire on them. A human will sacrifice their life for a stranger they've never met. They will run into a burning structure to rescue an animal. No evolutionary model explains this. It is irrational and self-destructive. It is also why they are so dangerous. A species that will die for a stranger will absolutely die to protect something they love, and they love everything. Conclusion: humanity is classified as apex predator not because they are strongest, fastest, or most advanced. They are none of these things. They combine persistence predation, pathological tool escalation, emotional manipulation through empathy, and irrational self-sacrifice into a single evolutionary package. They are simultaneously the most nurturing and most destructive species catalogued. They will feed you with one hand and build a weapon with the other and see no contradiction. Recommendation: do not engage, do not provoke, do not threaten anything they have bonded with. A human defending something they love is the most dangerous organism in the galaxy. This archive is classified restricted, not to protect the information, to protect the researchers. The last team that studied humans too closely befriended one. They are now on a holiday card list and cannot figure out how to leave. End of archive.